In this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube shortcut in your laptop. It's a very quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, you are going to need Google Chrome, so that's an internet browser. If you don't have that, you can download that for absolutely free by using an existing internet browser, whether that's Firefox or Microsoft Edge. So what you need to do first is open up Google Chrome and you want to come across to youtube.com. So just type that into the address bar. And once you're on YouTube, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu. And from this menu, come and hover over the cast, save and share option. In this submenu, under the save section, you're going to see an option to create shortcut. So all you need to do is simply give that a click. What's going to happen is a window is going to pop up at the top saying create a shortcut to this page. Shortcuts open in Chrome. So of course you can rename this to whatever you want. So I'm going to change this to just say YouTube. And once that's done, just simply click the create button. What that's going to do is now add this to your desktop, as you can see here. So if I now come back to my desktop, you're going to see the shortcut to YouTube here. What we can do is just simply double click onto this and it's going to open it up in a new Google Chrome browser, as you can see. So that's how to add a YouTube shortcut in your laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.